ठीक मला जुलै द्री सेशन बो join चुकिया तने मेरी ngati di session bo thuma pata topic ka in chief in ala tane di session e topic posena ata ledab na kya administration to hala ata MTF जो IIT na sponsor chunu they regarding chichi three face session na tan three class na speaker kun ser na ngati chief guest ko ma'am Padma secretary ma'am na ta join chutano lately testing na ta LSA accounting director sir Sintashi testing na main speaker sumino speaker sumbo kedena संकट दक्षा पर्स्यू चुने नोखला तेना स्कीम है सो चिचिक ना अच्छे फाइनल ईयर टेक आईआईटी कंक्लूड चलो आईआईटी ना पर्स्यू चुने नो चिचिक आशिकी हुसैन जो केजना आईआईटी दिल्ली ना चोको एमटेक पर्स्यू चुने फाइनल ईयर जैसे चिचिक जो मिफम जिकने केजना आईआईटी बॉम्बे ना मता final year MTech pursuit in Angola. LSA book LSA school a short chatna LSA book is na non charitable trust register trust charitable trust dog has 2019 in registration no founded by Sir Ledika Juxanok Sir Tashi founding member those who like you know LSA visit was na science related literature matanti to counseling chocha workshop chocha nange sir tashira mic behind over chen improvement the courses scholar brief chick gazu start from gazu sheni set from the scholar sir
ya Julie Islam sangmalayal tene daksai ka ta gapele sekshi starting bo is courses ko la sekshi briefly introduce chazat tene nge e course bo ngata malap LSFA kazu contribution jo e course start churches betes ko renew ngizen tene ngija thangma gyusno tene LSFA through yang ata ya PMSS indo yang kazu kinanga to tun time to time ngeje guide chendet pen now nine about the 2000 August 2021 in the UT administration account Ladakh engineering college chwat zane tene te zaninga kone kone ika jo yu jo ta ese experts ola bote benyale tene te zane tene nge rate meeting gunjane singe ka present then you briefly you course gun MTech into short term course long term course gun kazuchi start song test course nge junior then 2021 gun then lieutenant ganma lieutenant governor apke mature jane tenga ju is oxkone both admin ya as expert zena ya ngata ऐसे ngata guidance देना तनी कंगे वीडियो जिक शेयर चोता यू थों दगा पहले
थों सर
या तनी यू ने nga detail mi cha yu nga je brainstorming session jin pen ka nga ta lieutenant governor madam Padma mon IIT directors industry experts samat pen teni te na nga ina yot pen teni izane gata gazuk Ladakh la engineering college join te score la detail discussion et pen yar then ina tene nge ina Ladakh se tugun samjing ata samjing ata Ladakh la engineering chose pen tene you survey data ngilang ngilam ngam ko jing yusno teni sangma share chose teni exam thugu mangpo ngata engineering chose tang ngata job meta no teni further higher studies na ngata option tong zetenge tezani I meeting gunjani nge I sangma presentation tangs penel teni tezani tezani ngata I survey data ngija mangpo je gyu sang no ngul ngata public domain kong ka le outsourcing sangma recruitment chose ani yang science foundation I sangma survey chose government la ngata submit chose
कौन सा हो रहा है?
local engineering students sama
अरे
ngata
खुद करो यार, ये क्या बोल रहे हो? एक्सरसाइज वो खुद किया जाता है। यहाँ से मैं कर रहा हूँ, ये गलत बात
testini
होती
IIT
है।
director sama ngi input ka konema konema appreciate chose ten tesani ngi spend ten samjing in engineering students 1000 jene yoteno ten kon sama ya upskill chogos ya MTech program tong ya especially young intermediate skill in a program tong patene you full body science foundation ne tezane phala try chose ten pin ngata thu na samjen ngata opportunities gala thop gozete then inna meeting bina testing ngata le na kargilla IIT director sama yongste ngata science foundation ngata mobile chose IIT director sama kija experience sama na po tezane interaction of something tene testing bone tene nge tezane tena suggestion otezane transmit ki isang mga suggestion choose pen ki ngata tool la ya masters choices ya itugla yang course skill upskill yang course choices te sangma transfer tene I daksang yengula share chogane miti na sting mone IIT director sangma nge samji point bote amar sante appreciate chozel tene appreciate choices thing ne tena mala kone in principle sangme agree song kingata iza chik thugu kate ladak sena ngata unemployed or na 1000 and a charna by 2023 we need to do something for them that was the that was the suggestion came out from all the IIT directors and effort by the Madam Padma then Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur. We are very happy and we are thankful to them. They came out with these 3 programs. Okay, chikchi pungata yungata I program ngata IIT taksa officially IIT website yoteno ngata sponsor program 2 years MTech ta yo daksa kone PhD na convert chodo gale talo base guna shed direct kone PhD offer takso te nangmuni pala na PhD pyang ta mangpo interested mangpo ni PhD pyang korang so yang chache seno malap notification through then yang chichi short term long term internship yoteno te mane teo का engineering complete cho second या final engineering या science background है तने yang short term course का 1.5 to 2 months योते नो गले तने ये program में beauty ते नो कि इवे ना आता MTech जो ना आता get score में पाइयो सिर्फ लद्दाख से पठुने पे special tene iwe na tene scholarship ang gyala tene so sa tene samjik seat yota 30 seats short term ka internship gena IIT sena ka short term means 1.5 to 2 months ka nga engineering final year science year yo to teoni phele tene 15 seat to long term internship ka 6 months yoteno teong ngija suji ge well chona tena chola 12 MTech seat tasama civil sena yoteno yo IIT sena ya te yo normal MTech pe get go sano get eligibility metano then it comes out with a very good scholarship offer the short term gonna 15,000 that makes around 5,000 per month then long term gonna 50,000 that's also around 5,000 per month so then MTech gulna then 25,000 per month even normally ngata all India level chakan isang man union of 15 to 12 to 15,000 in almost double no plus hostel boarding lodging sama free no real so tene even details gun nija IIT website ka official yoteno testine IIT directors gun then UT administration kon MOU sign choose te officially ta launch sonte tene nani base nis po nani ni shayad base mis intigin tene kon sama ina attend choose no ta zerche se tonda ko Ladakh Science Foundation initial you program concept chazane ngaje sek contribution yotpen particularly tengata some projection choices really Ladakh sena is a demand duk Ladakh sena taksai mega infrastructure sama nokte pyangata highly skilled engineering students या science background yung gos tena ngata engineering college na tena ngata faculty gala gos mana then so taksa ngata solar mega project no tena so geothermal no tena so yang tu shin ngata so engineering ta science and engineering bena ngata mala highly qualified yung gos this pa in that direction they came out with this MTech program and this internship long-term internship program. I'm very happy to know that I think first batch they also got an offer to pursue further as a PhD, and I strongly recommend them to go for PhD. Che nangata latak IIT being engineering college ya Sindhu Central University Ladakh University of Ladakh gun ngata engineering branch into ya physics into ya science branch into even ma ngata faculty gun professors gun ma PhD nija zarurat chano yala. Sure sir. Then you just with this basic background then and the speaker then swimming of the mipam PMSS through Mula Madureni engineering chosen pen tenetesini further kone MTech IIT Mumbai ni chuano tene Ashik Hussain tene ko IIT Delhi tene Rigzinango IIT Kanpur tene Ija Sankai ka switches thank you tene Mula Gapele Juskan Nazing Ija Sankai scheme score but eligibility detail na molazat tene yang Ija experience share chojat tene yang thu sangmalangi tena jun ki e opportunities ma galano tene Ija evel chojat jezen philok shangata MTech chona chipada get scores gala yungos testing yang ma scholarship myun thono inner get score me kya scholarship galano gal sure then kawan ngata complete chose circle 6-month course kun chose whatever best upon your interest then testing is IIT ni is course chwarna testing obviously nije career ina marshante upliftment pe faida chano gal tene future youngsters guna tena jun ki ngija kazushi ke kawshen ngija engineering to chwa na yana tene campus through gala placement chana tene ya all India level kazushi yana nyen tene bakiyang backup is option guna te ma golden opportunity tena chola iman pe Sindhu Central University nani last but two bunch te nanga je PMS pass out sangal form bunch dento te nang 6 I think one year bo IIT campus in about no te 1 year project for Ladakh te in Sindhu Central University Kaoshanta campus na portion of samena teona infrastructure IIT is gonna ma galno ngizoni so IIT infrastructure environment lectures for ma so de chanino tene inange matante thank you nang thuje chejun madam Padmangole teningata Ladakh space juice prejaste tene secretary higher education juice na ten phone e program was sangma pursue chesen ma so kone person no gale deman panani engineering the college pia 22 seats yang especially borteno ente zanangata engineering college gun yang sort account gala ino zanang ang tena tigin yot pin suggestion tances ka gun yang gala dugzikan nge suggestion amount sa kone nente dukpen te ma ranga satisfaction yo ara so te duk tene teman pa taksayang dang notification somajina recent notification na then diploma courses Ladakh la mangping met panok jisingata engineering jena ka to civil electrical ma met no mechanical yang mangpo jimet pasang ya pharmacy ja to yang china automobile then te sangman taksa yang shayad yang very soon they are going to notify it so but which is the ngata technical education na Ladakh sena infrastructure met nang ngata UT administration headed higher education department headed by madam Padang me marshante कोशिश जाते नो बीट ngata development level ni tang se engineering level ni tang se MTech ni tang se PhD super ta talo i final level ne PhD offer convert PhD convert choose sa offer yonstano nangmani pala ina chiga student mang po interest with mang po na most probably this PhD ngata open ngata competitive through chena samar gale so with this small introductions I request the speakers to go ahead with the presentation and now Kapil yeah please carry on
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर टशी तो अभी इसके बाद मैं अचे रिक्जियांगमो से गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस और इस कोर्स के बारे में थोड़ा ब्रीफ करे हमारे ऑडियंस को और साथ ही साथ मैं सब ऑडियंस को ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ प्लीज माइक ऑफ रखें। जब आपको कुछ पूछना है तो आप हैंड रेस कर सकते हैं, तभी ऑन करें, वरना डिस्टरबेंस हो जाता है आपकी वजह से। तो थैंक यू। प्लीज चले, हैंड ओवर टू माइक।
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rigzin Angmo. I'm a final year MTech student in Transportation Engineering, Department of Civil Engineering at IIT Kanpur. So first of all, I would like to thank Ladakh Science Foundation for giving me this opportunity to share my 2-year experience in IIT Kanpur. So I would like to share my experience from the beginning. Like when we arrived here in the year 2022, and we were quite late. Like classes was already started by the end of July, and we reached here around the mid of August. So initially, it was quite challenging for us to cover the missed classes, and we were not able to understand what is going on the classes. Like we were quite late, and also I was doing job before joining this institute in PWD as a junior engineer, so I was out of touch with my uh, studies. So it was so challenging in the first semester to cover up. And just after joining the institute, and just mid semester exam was started, and without understanding anything, like our performance was very low in the mid semester of the first semester. So but after finishing the mid semester, we were able to understand gradually what is going on the classes. So gradually we were able to understand, and somehow we managed to pass the first semester examination. And in the second semester, like we joined the class from the starting, and we were able to understand the lecture. And whenever we have any confusion, we used to reach to our friend, our professor, like sir, मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर। और मेरी एक फ्रेंड को बोलती थी कि मुझे ये बताओ ये बताओ। यहाँ पे सब लोग बहुत सपोर्टिव है। लाइक एक तो हम लद्दाख से है, तो हमें हमारा बैकग्राउंड इतना अच्छा नहीं होता है। मेरा भी इतना अच्छा नहीं था, तो मेरे सारे फ्रेंड थे और सारे प्रोफेसर जो है बहुत सपोर्टिव है। तो मेरा सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छी थी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मेरा सीपीए कम्युनिटी परफॉर्मेंस जो है इम्प्रूव हुआ है। तो इन द सेकेंड ईयर हमें कोर्स कुछ नहीं होता है एमटेक में, वी हैव टू डू द रिसर्च। सो फॉर डूइंग द रिसर्च we don't have to attend any classes, and we just need to do the thing anything new for our thesis. And मेरा जो डिपार्टमेंट है, मेरा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड है। तो मेरा टॉपिक जो था मेरा जीआईएस से था। तो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू जियो इंफॉर्मेशन डिपार्टमेंट टू लर्न जीआईएस एंड ऑल, एंड देयर प्रोफेसर वर वेरी सपोर्टिव। लाइक कि यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि if you want to learn something, if you are willing to learn something, and everyone is happy to help you out. So whoever will select in the next time, like in this season, I will suggest you all to do hard work. And यहाँ पे कुछ भी आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा तो सबको मतलब शेयर करो कि मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ऐसा वैसा, तो दे विल हेल्प यू आउट इन एनी वे। मतलब सारे प्रोफेसर है या स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब सब लोग, एवरीवन इज रेडी टू हेल्प यू आउट। और दूसरा है कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर मेरा मतलब हम सब का थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग था कि आईआईटी के माहौल से अडेप्ट होना, एडजस्ट होना। तो उस टाइम पे क्या हो रहा था कि आई वाज सेलेक्ट, मतलब मुझे एक लद्दाख पुलिस में जॉब भी मिला था। एट दैट टाइम आई वाज लाइक कि मैं गिव अप करने के लिए भी रेडी था कि मतलब एक साइड से मुझे यहाँ पे आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू सो मेनी फेसेस, लाइक मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है ऐसा वैसा, दूसरी साइड से जॉब मिल रहा था। तो आई वाज लाइक गिविंग अप, लाइक आई वाज रेडी टू गिव अप, but somehow I just remember thinking when I was doing the BTech, like ऐसा था कि I used to think that people who were इन IIT जब मैं बीटेक कर रही थी तब मैं सोचती थी कि IIT वाले कितना लकी है कि उनको इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है ऐसा वैसा। अगर मैं यहाँ पे गिव अप किया तो it is like I'm not fulfilling what I really wish for since so many years. ऐसा बोल के finally I'm here and I'm very soon going to defend my thesis hopefully in July. So यहाँ पे एकेडमिक के अलावा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटी है। लाइक इफ यू आर स्पोर्ट पर्सन यू विल गेट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन एनी स्पोर्ट विद अ प्रॉपर कोच। यहाँ पे योगा क्लासेस भी है, स्विमिंग क्लासेस है। अदर देन दैट यू विल गेट अ लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग टू एक्सप्लोर एंड यहाँ पे बच्चे भी मतलब बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है। मतलब यू विल गेट टू एक्सप्लोर सो मेनी थिंग एंड yeah that's it। and और एक है कि यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज ऐसा वैसा मतलब initially when I came here for the first time I really have I don't have any knowledge about coding, but now after coming here I learned the coding language MATLAB, Python extra। so being मैं मतलब मेरा स्कूलिंग जो है गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में रहा है, तो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के बच्चा यहाँ पे आके IIT में माहौल देख के सब कुछ लर्न करना is a big thing for myself also, and I also recommend all of you to come here and explore yourself and feel free to ask any question and even after reaching here feel free to reach out to everyone will help you out and feel free to contact us। thank you। any question?
What about the bonds, ma'am? Galaxy, we are
Bond?
Yes.
Yeah, I will suggest to ask you this question to Ma'am Padmangmo. She will join in the later, like in the later part. I suggest you to ask her about the bond. Otherwise, about the academics, about the IIT campus, everything you can ask me. About bond, you just read the bond and ask Ma'am Padmangmo. She will give you better answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you share the experience about your interview? Like how was your
Interview,
interview?
yeah. Okay. They will ask you a technical question. There are a group of professors, and like I have already told you that I was doing job in PWD before joining this MTech program. So I just told them that I was out of touch with my books, but I know like how to. I have an idea about the site plan. Then they asked me about the site beam, column, and everything. Then I give the answer. Yeah. बाकी मेरे सारे फ्रेंड को टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट पूछा था। दे विल आस्क व्हाट इज योर स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सब्जेक्ट, कौन सा आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट है, तो उसी में से ज्यादा पूछेगा।
Juliet, so my question is like these days I saw in the news that like IITians are not getting some proper placements. So do you think it is worth it in the end?
या प्लेसमेंट तो आई विल से कि यहाँ पे इस स्कीम में आके you are not allowed to sit in placement. So personally in my department बाकी सारे मेरे जो फ्रेंड लोग हैं उनको सबको प्लेसमेंट मिला है। तो एक तो कॉलेज के SPU के थ्रू मिला है, दूसरा हमारा मतलब डिपार्टमेंट के तरफ से ही कंपनी को दे विल कॉल द कंपनी टू सेलेक्ट, मतलब स्टूडेंट जो है सिलेक्शन कंपनी खुद करते हैं कि फ्रॉम थ्रू डिपार्टमेंट। एक कॉलेज के थ्रू होता है, मतलब मेरे डिपार्टमेंट तो ठीक था डिपार्टमेंट में। सॉरी।
Okay, thank you.
So are we not allowed to sit in the placement?
Yeah, you have to take the NOC from in the PG manual of IIT Kanpur. It is written that if you are from a sponsor, like you have to get NOC from Mazhar Chuksamna. Tene question na ngay sang ki answer time pa.
Oh, ठीक है, ठीक है।
ठीक है।
तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अजय रिगनमोले, आपका ये क्या बोलते हैं एक्सपीरियंस और इसके बारे में हमारे ऑडियंस के साथ शेयर करने के लिए। तो इसके बाद मैं आशिकी हुसैन से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस और इस कोर्स के बारे में थोड़ा बताएं। आशिकी हुसैन अभी फाइनल ईयर एमटेक स्टूडेंट आईआईटी दिल्ली से कर रहे हैं इस कोर्स के थ्रू। ओवर टू यू अचुले।
Hello everyone, good evening. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Salam Juliet to everyone. I am Ashik Hussain from Kargil. I just completed my thesis defense today and will be completing my MTech in few days. As the previous speaker have intensively briefed about the scheme and the opportunities and the offers the scheme have provided to all the Ladakhis, I just want to brief about the interview process and the starting phases of this scheme. सबसे पहले मैं एक स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि ये स्कीम जो स्टार्ट होने से पहले जो तीनों आईआईटीज का जो डायरेक्टर समर लद्दाख का जो विजिट किया था, इफ यू गाइस नो द सो वो तीनों जो जो डायरेक्टर सर थे वो डिग्री कॉलेज कारगिल में आए थे, तो तभी हम वहाँ जो अटेंड करने गए थे तो हमने काफ़ी क्वेश्चन किया था। इसके बाद जो है ये स्कीम जो है इन्होंने फॉर्मुलेट करके हमें आगे जो है भेजा, तो हमने इस स्कीम का भरपूर फायदा उठाया। तो मैं अभी बस यही शेयर करना चाहूँगा इंटरव्यू के बारे में कि आप अपना जो बेसिक्स जो है वो थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लो। मतलब मतलब ज़्यादा हाई वो इंटरव्यू में नहीं पूछेंगे। आपसे जो बेसिक सिविल इंजीनियरिंग या आपका जो भी ब्रांच हो उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, और कुछ क्वेश्चन आपका 12th 11th बेस जो मैथमेटिक्स जो मुझे याद है अभी भी कुछ प्रोबेबिलिटीज के क्वेश्चन वो आपको करने को दे भी सकते हैं इंटरव्यू में। इस बार तो आईआईटी कानपुर में मतलब वो कानपुर के प्रोफेसर जो है इसको वो करने वाले हैं। तो आप अपना जो इंटरव्यू के जो भी प्रिपरेशन है उसमें लग जाइए, थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक्स का आप रिवीजन करना। दूसरा जो इसमें सबसे बड़ा जो आपको डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर होगा, आप बॉन्ड का ज़रूर बॉन्ड अच्छे से पढ़ें, उसके रिलेटेड जो भी डिसीजन हो घर वालों से लेके उसका जो भी उसका कंडीशंस हो वो अच्छे से पढ़े, क्योंकि बॉन्ड उतना कम भी नहीं है और ये जो अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो भी इतना मतलब मामूली अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है। तो आपको दोनों साइड को देखते हुए इसको पढ़ के अच्छे से डिसाइड करके इस मतलब स्कीम के बारे में पढ़ के इसमें अप्लाई करना है। बाकी यहाँ पे जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो बहुत ही हाई एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ पे। मतलब फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग यू गेट टू नो अबाउट each and every aspect of life. You get to know about the academics, you will get to know about the co-curricular activities, sports, as the previous speakers have told, and the hostel facilities is world class. आपको यहाँ पे मतलब बाकी जो एमटेक फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे उनको फर्स्ट ईयर में ही जो है हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज आसानी से नहीं मिलता है, उनको सेकंड ईयर तक वेट करना पड़ता है। लेकिन हमारा जो स्कीम है उससे रिलेटेड जो एमओयू साइन है हमें यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हॉस्टल सीट्स जो है अवेलेबल किया जाता है। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा जो है मतलब फैसिलिटीज में मेरे हिसाब से था, क्योंकि दिल्ली में मैं अभी रह रहा हूँ तो बाहर काफ़ी मतलब नॉइज पोल्यूशन या पोल्यूशन, तो अंदर एक सेफ और मतलब जो फ्री जोन रहता है वो देखने को मिला अभी तक। और हॉस्टल भी बहुत बहुत ही वर्ल्ड क्लास है। मतलब वैसा नहीं है कि कोई पुराना हॉस्टल दे रहा हो, तो मैं बहुत ही अच्छा हॉस्टल दे रहा है। बाकी इसका स्टेपमेंट भी आपको कोई मतलब जो फाइनेंशियल बर्डन नहीं है यहाँ पे, स्टेपमेंट भी हमें मोर देन एनफ दे रहे हैं। बाकी एमटेक स्टूडेंट्स को 12,400 या 500 ईच मंथ मिलता है, तो हमें उसका डबल मिल रहा है। तो ये भी मतलब एक एक्सपेक्ट है कि हमें कोई फाइनेंशियल बर्डन नहीं होगा इसमें। और इसी इसी जो स्टेपमेंट है उसी में से आपको आपका फीस भी, आपका जो एकेडमिक फीस हॉस्टल फीस जो भी है वो आसानी से आप भर सकते हो, और आपका कोई मतलब घर से आपको कोई फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस देने की जरूरत नहीं है। बाकी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज जैसे सर ने अभी ब्रीफ किया कि इसके बाद आपको पीएचडी का भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रहा है, तो कोई रिसर्च में जाना चाहता है या किसी का अच्छा जो इनटेक रिसर्च जो उसमें बेस बन जाता है। अभी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का भी बेस बन रहा है रिसर्च में, जो 1 साल का रिसर्च जो एमटेक में होता है कोर्सेज के बाद, तो वो रिसर्च के बाद आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाता है कि इस स्कीम के थ्रू भी आप पीएचडी कर सकते हो, या अभी तो बॉन्ड आया तो आप इसी स्कीम के अंदर ही रहोगे, वरना तो आपको बहुत सारे जो फॉरेन में भी बहुत अब्रॉड अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल जाते हैं इंटर्नशिप्स का या ऐसे चीज़ों का, क्योंकि आपका जो रिसर्च बेस जो बन जाता है वो प्रोफेसर्स को कभी काफ़ी वो हाईलाइट करता है। तो वही है डे फ्रॉम डे वन यहाँ पे आके आपको मेहनत करना होगा। आपको एक मतलब टाइम टेबल लेके आपको बाकी जो स्टूडेंट्स होंगे वो ग्रेड का टॉपर टॉपर यहाँ पे आएंगे तो उनके साथ compete करना है। जैसे हम उन्होंने कहा कि उनका जो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं था, वैसा सबका ही सीन था, क्योंकि हमें एक तो लेट एडमिशन हुआ कोर्सेज यहाँ पे मतलब एक दिन में 2-2 घंटे का क्लास ऐसे निकल जाते हैं कि हम उसको कूप करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. So मतलब from day one you have to do your best in every aspect, taking academic as well as co-curricular activities in a balanced manner. So यही कहना चाहूँगा कि पहले तो आप इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपरेशन करें, बाकी आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाता है. फिर आपके लिए बहुत सारे असिस्टेंट है LSF की तरफ से, हमारे तरफ से, या जो हमारा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उनको, मतलब वो इतनी हमारा हेल्प किया, क्योंकि ये जो स्कीम था वो पहला जो स्कीम इनका हम पहला ही बैच था, जो आप सबको पता होगा. तो हमें जो थोड़ा बहुत डिफिकल्टीज उठाना पड़ा, क्योंकि जो स्कीम का जो भी प्रोसेस था वो वेल डॉक्यूमेंटेड नहीं था, तो हमें ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप हमें अप्रोच करना पड़ता था कि आज इसके लिए IIT को आप ये ये उनको अलाउ करो, हमें ये यहाँ पे ये नहीं है. अब अगले दिन फिर जाना पड़ता है, अगले दिन फिर जाना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट्स है, तो हमारे लिए वो अलग होने के लिए हमें आगे फॉरवर्ड करना पड़ता था, बहुत सारे मेल्स, बहुत सारे कॉन्टेक्ट चलाना पड़ता था, क्योंकि पहला ही बैच था तो वेल डॉक्यूमेंटेड नहीं था ये स्कीम. बट अभी धीरे धीरे ये जो है अच्छे से सेटल हो जाएंगे. आप लोगों को भी पता है, मतलब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इसमें 100% अपना एफर्ट दे रहा है, तो इसका भरपूर आप फायदा उठाइए. बाकी जो भी हमारे हमसे या LSF से या बाकी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से जो असिस्टेंट्स की आपको ज़रूरत होगा, वो हम ऑलवेज रेडी है. बाकी ओवर टू यू सर. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू अचोले, इस आपकी जर्नी और इसको उसके बारे में बताने के लिए. तो इसके बाद अभी हम Q&A सेशन बाद में करेंगे. पहले स्पीकर तीनों से सुनेंगे, फिर उसके बाद जिसका क्वेरीज होगा हम लास्ट में लेंगे. तो इसके बाद में अचो मीफम जिगमेत से गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो अपना ये जर्नी और एक्सपीरियंस एट IIT बॉम्बे के बारे में और इस कोर्स के बारे में थोड़ा हमारे ऑडियंस के साथ शेयर करें. प्लीज अचोले, इट्स ओवर टू यू.
थैंक यू कपिल. 정말 जुले. तो जैसे ऑडियंस चाहते हैं कि हम इंग्लिश या हिंदी में बात करें, तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ इंग्लिश और हिंदी में बात करूँ. तो सबसे पहले तो यहाँ पे IIT में मुझे एडमिशन मिल के बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रहा है, क्योंकि मुझे गेट के थ्रू नहीं आना पड़ा है. मैंने एक बार अटेम्प्ट किया था गेट और मैं क्लियर नहीं कर पाया, तो उस वजह से मैं मतलब फिर से तैयारी कर रहा था. तो मेरा बैचलर्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद तुरंत ही ये स्कीम स्टार्ट हुआ था, तो वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी था, जबकि मैं किसी काम से जम्मू में फंसा हुआ था. तो और 2 ही दिन बचा था ये लास्ट डेट, मतलब एप्लीकेशन ख़त्म होने के लिए. तो 2 दिन में ही मैंने सारा एप्लीकेशन भर के फिर मैंने वेट किया रिप्लाई का. तो बाद में सिलेक्शन हुआ था मेरा, और जम्मू में बैठे बैठे मैंने ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू दिया था. उसके बाद फिर सिलेक्शन हुआ, तब भी मैं जम्मू में फंसा हुआ था. तो किसी काम से मुझे IIT में आने के लिए कम से कम 3 या 4 हफ्ता लेट हुआ. तो उस हिसाब से काफ़ी क्लासेस मिस हुए, मतलब हर एक के केसेस में ऐसा ही हुआ है. तो इस वजह से थोड़ा मतलब कवर अप करने के लिए मुश्किल हुआ था. और साथ ही साथ जो यहाँ पे IITs में गेट के थ्रू आते हैं, उनकी तैयारी कुछ सालों पहले से ही हो जाती है, और यहाँ पे आके सिर्फ रिवीजन या प्रोफेसर उनको थोड़ा सा गाइड करके फिर आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. पर जिन्होंने गेट का सिलेबस नहीं पढ़ा हो या उस तरह के सिलेबस के मतलब तैयारी नहीं की हो, तो उनको थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है कोप अप करने के लिए या स्टार्ट करने के लिए. तो मेरे केस में भी ऐसा ही हुआ था. और एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने ब्रांच चेंज किया था, क्योंकि मेरा बैचलर्स एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग में था और अभी मैं IIT में एनवायरमेंटल साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रहा हूँ. तो काफ़ी लोगों को क्वेश्चन होगा, मैं उनका क्वेरीज बाद में लूँगा. तो ये एक स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम है लद्दाख के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से. तो इसमें एक क्वेश्चन मैंने ग्रुप में देखा कि क्या ये सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग के लिए है या सिर्फ EAC या सिविल के लिए है, क्योंकि पिछली बार जो 12 सीट्स थे उनमें से 11 सिविल इंजीनियरिंग लोगों ने मतलब चूज किया था, तो मैं अकेला एनवायरमेंटल साइंस इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम का था। तो यहाँ पे अगर आपका सिलेक्शन हुआ तो आप किसी भी ब्रांच में जा सकते हो, मतलब एलिजिबल ब्रांच में जा सकते हो। ये नहीं कि आप मतलब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने ये डिसाइड किया हो है कि इसमें सिविल में इतना सीट, मैकेनिकल में इतना सीट, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आप अपने हिसाब से अपना फील्ड चूज कर सकते हो। तो ये एक बहुत मतलब अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है। तो एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में तो मैं क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ मैं बताऊंगा, जिनको जो क्वेश्चन होगा इस हिसाब से। अभी टाइम ना लेते हुए मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इसमें सिर्फ 12 ही सीट है। तो एप्लीकेशंस लगभग 100 200 300 लोगों ने भरा हो सकता है, तो सिर्फ 12 लोग ही सिलेक्ट होंगे। तो जो सिलेक्ट नहीं होंगे तो उनसे मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप इससे होप लूज ना करें, क्योंकि आईआईटीज में मैंने देखा कि अभी तक मुझे सिर्फ यही पता था कि आईआईटी में सिर्फ गेट के थ्रू ही जा सकते हैं। तो मुझे लगा कि बीएससी वाले या जिन्होंने दूसरे ब्रांचेस से बैचलर्स किया हो उनको एडमिशन नहीं मिल सकता है। तो आईआईटी बॉम्बे में आने के बाद मैंने अपने डिपार्टमेंट के ऑफिस के नोटिस बोर्ड पे देखा जैम करके, जिसका फुल फॉर्म है ज्वाइंट एडमिशन टेस्ट फॉर मास्टर्स। तो मुझे लगा कि गेट के थ्रू ही एडमिशन होगा, पर काफ़ी सारे एग्जाम्स हैं। मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कैट यानी कि कॉमन एडमिशन टेस्ट फॉर एमबीए, जिन्होंने इसमें बिजनेस में किया होगा, इकोनॉमिक्स में किया होगा, उनको उनके लिए ये मास्टर्स फॉर बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। आईआईटी में आप ये मैनेजमेंट कोर्स भी कर सकते हो, उसके लिए भी अलग से एग्ज़ाम होता है। और दूसरा एग्ज़ाम सीड है, यानी कॉमन एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन टेस्ट फॉर डिज़ाइन। तो जिनका फील्ड डिज़ाइन में है तो वो ये एग्ज़ाम दे के आईआईटी में जा सकते हो, और ये सीट जो एग्ज़ाम है आईआईटी बॉम्बे कंडक्ट करता है। तो जैसे जैम हो गया, और काफ़ी एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं अलग अलग ब्रांचेस के या अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स के भी होते हैं जो खुद ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। तो इनके बारे में आप ऑनलाइन सर्च कर सकते हो कि आईआईटीज़ में एंट्रेंस के लिए कौन कौन से टेस्ट है। तो ये तो एक बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम, पर अगर इसमें आप सिलेक्शन नहीं होते हैं तो दूसरे रास्ते आप देख सकते हैं। और एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ कि आप मतलब ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप आईआईटी में एडमिशन होके ही आप मतलब आईआईटीएन बने। तो आईआईटीज़ जो है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कंडक्ट करते हैं, ऑनलाइन सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज काफ़ी कंडक्ट करते हैं। तो आप आईआईटीज़ कोई भी आईआईटी हो उनके वेबसाइट पे जाके चेक कर सकते हो कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस या सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज या इंटर्नशिप्स कब स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, क्या प्रोसीजर है, क्या एलिजिबिलिटी है। उन सब के बारे में आप जान के आप खुद अप्रोच करें। तो यही मैं सजेशन करता हूँ फाइनली। तो बाकी जो क्वेश्चन होंगे ऑडियंस का तो हम एक एक करके लेंगे। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू अचले, इस एक्सपीरियंस और इस कोर्स और काफ़ी एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम के बारे में आपने बोला। मैं होप कि हमारे ऑडियंस ने सुना होगा और इसके बारे में थोड़ा रिसर्च भी करेंगे। तो जिसका भी क्वेश्चन होगा आप प्लीज़ हैंड रेस करें, और एक एक से हम एक सीक्वेंस में पूछेंगे ताकि सबको यूनिफॉर्मली और अच्छे से मिले। तो अभी मुझे कुछ हैंड रेस नहीं देख रहा है।
Can I ask?
Yes.
अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन को एजुकेशन है like previous year amongst civil admission, civil department last time तो why not other departments? चीफ क्षमा हुआ ना, मतलब क्या कमी रह गई कि अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स आर नॉट कमिंग? या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, या इज इट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन दैट दे आर नॉट अलाउइंग, दे आर ओनली अलाउइंग सिविल्स?
Tidak, Simul tenis karma. Question bu Simul. Dorji, अच्छा कैसा? ये लंगे आंसर तंगना। आईआईटी दिन जब फर्स्ट बैच स्कीम स्टार्ट छजने, इन्हें आता ओपन नहीं था sui ka field dinas kang nang i dakse i मतलब application form binanga i option ko mathong tezna ngaje time ka IIT Bombay organize chospini yo conduct chospini chilo admission procedure ko संपत्तिना खोरंग मने वेबसाइट सोसेज ग्रेट जोस्ते तेन उनको डिटेल मता इन्फॉर्मेशंस का कोशिश दुपिन तेन ने चिचिक दुपिन मता का आईआईटी नंको सिलिन रख संपा मता ओपन चॉइस दुपिन आईआईटी दिल्ली असिलिना या आईआईटी कानपुर असिलिना आईआईटी बॉम्बे असिलिन संपा ये तेन ऑप्शन आईआईटी बॉम्बे सेलेक्ट जोस्पिन फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस संपा प्रेफरेंस ऐसा बस कांगे चीज क्या संपा ये तेन आईआईटी बॉम्बे फर्स्ट बोर्पिन सेकंड दिल्ली थर्ड कानपुर सोक्सी बोर्पिन तेने नेक्स्ट पिन आता ब्रांच दुपिन मतलब का ब्रांच ना रंग सेलिन रख संपत्तियों एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म खुरिना दुपिन मानला संपत्ति नंग को आता चीज का नंग यांची जो क्या संपंगा एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग ना बैचलर्स चोस्तेन ते नंगा फील्ड चेंज चोस्तेना एनवायरमेंटल साइंस इन इंजीनियरिंग द फैसिलिटीन संपत्ति नंगी ऑप्शन वो एनवायरमेंटल साइंस इन इंजीनियरिंग बोर्पिन सवाले संपत्ति जाने निजा लिस्ट ना 11 सीट्स for civil engineering स्कांस दुक चिचिक environmental दुक समना त्यो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लगा बिल्कुल मेट क्या खेले चीज ना यू रंग ओपन अपॉर्चुनिटी तांस तनो रंग है कजुक फील्ड चूज चुन समना या मता बैचलर से बेसिस का चुन या बैचलर से बेसिस का डिपार्टमेंट एलिजिबल है ना त्यो सिलेक्ट चुन सो पदक्सा ई एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म बिना दुक शिक्षण दुक ऑप्शन दुक शिमाथों याले फिर भी शॉर्टलिस्ट सॉन्ग तेना निजा शायद ऑप्शन तांगना समझ
yang nge ike chune yale ta e scheme bo tukshi evolve som paki Ladakh sangata engineering college ta IIT pingna tena faculties wasn't that so sir there's a branch bang ko discussion song yale ta super ka branch bangata Ladakh la pintio finalist machano maybe kone start with kone civil ma some senat some ngara hisab jigal further discussion nga involvement goma starting discussion chingi nga involvement tesinin obviously nga as a volunteer so nga involvement ये क्वेश्चन बंगी जे मेरा पादमांग मोल जो इसके ना कौन टी क्वेश्चन नो ngara samara ki young field sangmang it's a opportunity tango sheno ta scheme jik launch just pane phala mana baki mechanical civil electronics computer science kunina chizane you IIT is a branch to further placement if ma opportunity galan yeah that's a going bond worteno ki you should serve back to the UT administration they may be in samara ki tore I Ladakh la engineering college ping na tena as a faculties osni ja last window ya young department in the requirement na initially last choices pia upon a condition important as well yeah as such otherwise within 3 months minute tukshina kone placement na you are free to apply anywhere they pay bond ke ma coaching macha nija opportunity to na choose कि branches young branches sama goshes no ze kan beka nje madam Padma ma request so goshe no yang fully yang is fully you sama you young branch sama ngata opportunity goshe
ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन और अब ये भी स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं कि आप कौन से स्पीकर से पूछ रहे हैं तो ये भी प्लीज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
जुले समाला ये क्वेश्चन वो फर्स्टली टाइम ना इनकी सिविल आचे प्रेफरेंस मांगो दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये उनकी काजी स्टूडेंट गुण शॉर्टलिस्ट सोचता मतलब कैसे कौन सा क्राइटेरिया है कि CGPA को देखा जाता है या कि 4 इयर्स में क्या क्या इंटर्नशिप किया है और मतलब शॉर्टलिस्ट स्टूडेंट्स शॉर्टलिस्ट कैसे होते हैं वो फर्स्टली क्वेश्चन मेरा ये है
ये वो तो एक फॉर्म में पूरा दिया हुआ है मेरे ख्याल से वो अभी जो फोन का लिंक है उसके ऊपर तो पूरा
फॉर्म में क्लियरली मेंशन नहीं है कि क्या किस कौन से बेसिस पे होगा यस सर आशीष सर आप बताइए
तो मैं बताऊंगा इसमें शॉर्टलिस्टिंग पहले तो आपका CGPA जो बीटेक का आपका जो भी आपने CGPA अचीव किया होगा उसी के बेस पे आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए आगे फॉरवर्ड करेंगे आपका डॉक्यूमेंट्स चेक करेंगे कि आपने कौन सी ब्रांच में कौन सा जो सेमेस्टर ऑल थ्रू आउट द ऑल सेमेस्टर आपका परफॉर्मेंस क्या था तो वही जीपीए तो आप चेक करेंगे ही, लेकिन जो मेन जो प्रोसेस आता है वो इंटरव्यू पे ही है। अतः अभी भी चैट में मैंने देखा है कुछ लोगों को अभी भी क्लियर नहीं है कि इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है, क्या मतलब इंटरव्यू क्या होता है। तो मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि इंटरव्यू में आपको वही बेसिक्स जो बीटेक में आपने पढ़ा है, जो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग या आपके ब्रांच का जो बेसिक्स जो है वो आपसे पढ़ा जाएगा। और सेकंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग आई थिंक इज द लैंग्वेज, आपका जो क्लियरिटी होना चाहिए इंटरव्यू के दौरान, जो आप जो डिलीवर कर रहे हो पैनल को, वो आपका जो भी आप उनको बताना चाहते हो, आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर है लेकिन आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो आप अपना लैंग्वेज को भी थोड़ा सुधार मतलब थोड़ा चेक कीजिए कि आपको किस लैंग्वेज में बोलना है। इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है कि आप इंग्लिश ही बोले, आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो, आप उर्दू में बोल सकते हो, लेकिन डिलीवर होना चाहिए कि उनको लगे कि आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर है, आपने इस पे काम किया है। और कंपटीशन के हिसाब से वो इंटरव्यू का लेवल भी बढ़ा सकते हैं। तो वही जो है 12th का मैथमेटिक्स से भी क्वेश्चन आया था, मैंने जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, तो आप अपना बेसिक्स जो है क्लियर रखिए इंटरव्यू में। बाकी इसके बाद जो प्रोसेस है वो जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है, जो शॉर्टलिस्टिंग है, वो तो प्रोसेस में होता ही है शायद।
I want to add one more thing, like इंटरव्यू तक पहुंचने के लिए सीपीआई पे कट ऑफ होता है, जैसे लास्ट ईयर 8.8 सीजीपी पे कट ऑफ हुआ था। तो इंटरव्यू तक पहुंचने के लिए दे विल लुक फॉर योर सीपीआई इन बीटेक। Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
और
so
ये
the first criteria will be CGPA, right?
या लास्ट ईयर तो मतलब हमने देखा तो जहाँ मतलब यहाँ पे जितने भी स्टूडेंट जो यहाँ पे आए थे उनका सीपीआई 8.0 से ऊपर था, तो वी थॉट इट्स विल बी बेस्ड ऑन इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन सीपीआई।
Okay, so how many of you guys got selected for
या
this scheme?
इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे तो बहुत ही आई डिडंट रिमेम्बर,
It was, I think it
बट
was
इन द
17,
फाइनल देयर वाज
17,
12 17 ओके।
17. 12 is the MTech seats available for a program.
या वन मोर थिंग, ऐसा है कि अगर आपका फर्स्ट ईयर में सीपीए 6 से बिलो होगा तो यू विल गेट टर्मिनेटेड, लाइक यहाँ पे विथ अस हमारे एक फ्रेंड टर्मिनेशन होके कॉलेज से निकल गया था। मतलब देयर इज नो मर्सी कि यू आर फ्रॉम लद्दाख या हम आपको मार्क्स दे देंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। यू हैव टू डू हार्ड वर्क टू गेट द गुड स्कोर, ऐसा वैसा मतलब टर्मिनेशन भी होता है यहाँ पे।
Yeah, any further question?
What about the life in IIT Bombay?
तो IIT बॉम्बे में बताऊं तो काफ़ी अच्छा कैंपस है। एक तरफ मतलब एक तरफ 2 लेक्स है और दूसरी तरफ पूरे जंगल। तो पूरे जंगल में ही बना हुआ है वो, मतलब एनवायरनमेंट के हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ। बाकी अंदर भी मतलब हर एक चीज़ सिस्टमेटिक है, आपको किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं होगी। बार्बर से लेके टेलर से लेके कैंटीन से लेके मतलब सब कुछ, साइकिल रिपेयरिंग शॉप से लेके मतलब पूरा एक कंप्लीट कम्युनिटी आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पे। मतलब कहने को हर एक चीज़ में पीछे नहीं है। तो एकेडमिक्स में भी आपको मतलब हर तरीके के लैब्स मिलेंगे। मतलब अगर आप किसी काम पे रिसर्च कर रहे हो और आपके डिपार्टमेंट में कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं मिले, तो कॉमन मतलब लैब फैसिलिटीज़ होते हैं, या दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट्स में किसी प्रोफेसर के अंडर होते हैं, या कैंपस के अंदर ही अलग अलग स्टार्टअप्स खोले होते हैं, इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर होते हैं, वहाँ पे जाके आप काम कर सकते हैं। तो मतलब किसी भी चीज़ की कमी नहीं है, बस आपको इंटरेस्ट अपने आप में जगाना होगा, पढ़ने के लिए, रिसर्च करने के लिए और सीखने के लिए बस।
Okay, so did you guys get to choose your college?
Yes,
Whatever college you guys are in.
yes. As I was explaining earlier that the first batch recruitment in this MTech program was organized by IIT Bombay. So they had created a separate website for this recruitment for the MTech program, and we had the option to select which IITs we would like to get admitted into, and we can have the preferences also. Like I selected IIT Bombay as my first preference, second Delhi, and third Kanpur. So another option I had to choose was the field. So since the last batch had 11 civil engineering selected students and one environmental, so it was not a not a rule by administration or the recruitment organizer, but it was open to all since most of Ladakhis pursue civil engineering, as it has been a trend since time memorial. So obviously 11 was civil engineering students. And based on CPI, I think civil engineering students might have had higher CGPAs as compared to other fields. So that's why I think most of them were civil engineering.
No. I don't agree because last time many of my friends applied for mechanical. They have 9 CGPAs. So that's why I asked.
Yeah. See, another point I would like to add is that in that application form, it was not just your merits of past academic records, but there were 3 specific questions. Like first question was, why do you want to pursue an MTech? So since it was organized by IIT Bombay, they had their own way of selection procedure. So first question was, why do you want to pursue an MTech from IIT? So we had to write a specific answer within 300 words. And another question was that, what was your past history of internship or experience or any project or anything like that? So we had to describe our whole careers or whatever projects we did in the past academics in within 300 words. And the third question was about, what would you do after completion of the MTech program? So again, in 300 words we had to describe. So it was not just CPI, I think, based on which the student got selected, but these 3 questions also mattered. So we had to write, a concise paragraph within 300 words, expressing ourselves, and that I think had also played a role in the selection.
Good evening, friends. Now we have with us Madam Padma Amole, Commissioner Secretary Higher Education. She is the brain behind this MTech program and other IIT internship program. I would like to request Madam Padma Amole to throw some lights, and the students have some questions. So I think you are the right person to answer those questions, Madam. Now, Madam Padma Amole, please.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to thank Tashile and Gafel for taking up this initiative. I think it was long required. And I see around 72 total participants are 72. So I think approximately 60 plus students have logged in for this session. I've been listening to some of the questions. So let me start with whatever information I have. First, I'd like to also congratulate the 3 students who are here. I think they are doing well. I think your session is now ending. Your master's is ending soon in June.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hopefully in July, mine is.
Okay, Rixin. So what happened last time was that the students joined a little late because the entire process we had just started. That was the first batch, as they already told you. So they all started a bit late, and this time we are ensuring that you all start on time. Whosoever joins starts on time, so that they don't face some of the challenges faced by some of our first batch students. There were 1 or 2 dropouts because they could not cope with the IIT system. So because all the students are here, I would like to tell you all, as you all know, IIT ka standard kya hai. So you have to put in your best. Even if you qualify, uske baad bhi, it is a very rigorous schedule. And I'm happy to see hamare 12 students, I think 10 students as of now, they are, they have been able to complete this 2-year schedule. So जो भी students apply करेंगे, I would expect कि बहुत serious students हमारे आए, क्योंकि IITs में MTech is a golden opportunity. Beautiful campus, the top institute in the country, and 3 IITs of Kanpur, Delhi, and Bombay. Powai, I think it is called. So these are the top 3 institutes in the country as far as engineering is concerned. So ये किसी भी लद्दाखी students के लिए एक बहुत ही wonderful opportunity है. Because आप लोगों की कुछ queries थी, तो I will just tell you what is the background of this scheme. लद्दाख में we have been planning to start an engineering college. और हम चाह रहे थे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज हम IITs के साथ कोलैबोरेशन में स्टार्ट करें, और उसके लिए हम लोगों ने काफी काम भी किया हुआ है इसमें. Now, the issue, main challenge was how to get a faculty, because it is very difficult to get quality faculty, and without a quality faculty, we cannot have a good engineering college. So if we have a mix of faculty from outside and inside, that would have been best. But still, bahar se koi faculty aayega, nahi aayega. Ladakh is a difficult place, and engineering college we are proposing at Kargil. So keeping that in mind, IIT suggested that we should start preparing to have a set of faculty from our side also, ready. I think somebody has to mute their mic. किसी का mic on है, which is creating a lot of disturbance. Kindly, I think आप लोग mute कर ले unless you have to ask a question. So to get that faculty, IIT suggested that they would offer us a sponsored MTech program if you are ready to fund it, and they will offer seats to the students of Ladakh for 3 to 5 years. This was what they had suggested and proposed, and after which we signed a MOU, under which we propose that we'll send students from Ladakh 12 for the next 3 to 4 years. Now the thing is, when you talk about branches, because everybody was talking about branches, the branches we had selected based upon the kind of branches that we require in the engineering college. Ladakh ka engineering college, we are planning to make it a unique engineering college, और उसमें वो subjects हम introduce करना चाह रहे हैं which is relevant to Ladakh. So one is civil engineering, because when we talk about civil engineering, अभी भी हमें challenge है कि लद्दाख में construction कैसे हो. The construction which happens in Delhi, Bombay, Kanpur is very different from the construction which we require in Ladakh, whether it is solar passive, winter friendly. यहाँ पर winters में आपका welding नहीं होता है, construction में cement set नहीं होता है. So the idea was that the engineering college would also be a research institution. That is why civil engineering पे focus था, number one. Second, we thought computer engineering in any case has to be. Computer is one of the most upcoming and important subjects, branches. So computer engineering would be the second one. Ladakh can in future become a data center, because हमारा weather बहुत suited है कि हम एक data center यहाँ पे पूरा center बनाए. So computer engineering, and again, you know, our people can work from home आजकल, remotely भी work कर सकते हैं. So computers के लिए भी, Ladakh में students के लिए भी, it will be a good opportunity for employment. So computer science was another subject which we wanted to introduce in the engineering college as per the IIT's proposal. And the third one was energy sciences. Now energy sciences is an upcoming field. और लद्दाख में energy sciences का बहुत ज़्यादा scope है. We have renewable energy. अभी आप लोगों को पता है geothermal energy, हम लोग solar energy हम लोग utilize कर रहे हैं. Ladakh is supposed to be a potential solar producer, solar energy producer, because we say we have 300 days of clear sunshine. So energy sciences is the third branch that we are planning to introduce as per the proposal of Ladakh Engineering College. So we need faculty in these subjects, or any supporting subject जिसके लिए faculty चाहिए. What happened in the first batch, that maximum students जो हमें मिले, they were from civil engineering. Though we were very keen to have an equal distribution in civil, computers, and anything related with energy sciences or environment. Like people were asking me, I think, कि why environmental science? उसमें क्या scope है? So we are looking from it, from research and teaching career line. So these were the three subjects which are introduced, but because most of the takers were in civil engineering, they had better merit in their BTech, and I think they scored better in the interview. So most of the students, they were from civil engineering in the first batch. But second, abhi current batch mein, I'm expecting more from computers as well. Again, if given a chance, this time we would like to, because first batch mein civil zyada gaye hain, we would prefer to have more in energy sciences and computers. But if we are not able to get that choice of students, then we have to take 12 students. So we'll take whatever branches are available. But हमारी preference IITs की और हमारी ये है. As far as selection process is concerned, this selection process is by the IITs, whatever they be their criteria. And they were very clear कि merit हमें देखना है. BTech में अगर कोई student has not done well, it is difficult, because they felt IIT का बहुत ही rigorous curriculum and schedule होता है, and the student has to cope. So that is why they have selected this criteria, and from administration of UT Ladakh, we are part of the selection committee, but the criteria is being set by IITs because they are the experts, and we are not interfering in that aspect. Interviews matter a lot, as Ashik was saying, that आप कैसे जवाब देते हैं, how you respond to the questions, that is also very important. So that will be taken care of. So you have to all prepare accordingly how it is to be done. Now, bond, there is a bond because, as I said, the idea, the entire scheme was because we wanted to have faculty, future faculty. Not everybody will become a faculty, but we wanted to make a pool. We are also encouraging the MTech students to take a PhD because finally, when you want to have regular faculty, we would want to have PhD. So this year, we are also, kind of encouraging our MTech students to take a PhD if they are interested. So PhD students would be the requirement for the faculty. And PhD is also sponsored for the students who are here. 3 years, I would want that PhD should be covered in 3 years, but I'm told it takes at least 5 years. So that is also sponsored. When we say sponsored, iska matlab hai tuition fees is to be taken care of by the UT administration. Besides that, we also offer fellowship, which is basically a scholarship. For MTech students, the scholarship given is 25,000. So within that 25,000, you are supposed to take care of your hostel fees and the mess fees. If you go through GATE, I think the fellowship that you get is around 10 to 15,000. So the sponsorship under this sponsorship program is much better. And the campuses, in any case, hostels and all, unlike private colleges, they are quite subsidized. So 25,000, I understand, is a very comfortable scholarship in which I think students can also have a little bit of, extra junka expenditure that is also taken care of. For PhD students, we will be giving as much scholarship as the government of India gives under the merit scholarship, which is around, I think, 37,000 for first 3 years. That is what we are offering. First year, of course, there were certain teething challenges because IITs were also doing it for the first time. So half the time they were also a little confused because they were treating our students like other students. So unka jo fee structure, hostel issues, they wanted to have it like similar other students. So there were certain challenges with our students, but I hope this year it will be smoother. Then I think bond के बारे में सबों ने पूछा था. Bond जो हम लोगों ने introduce किया took a long time. I think this itself we have just issued the bond after the approval because there were a lot of input that we wanted to take from other departments. So bond is something that the student this year will have to sign before they are finalized for admission. Personally, I feel कि आप लोगों को कोई issue होगा नहीं students को because we are all looking for jobs. But the bond is, if we are going to invest around approximately हम between 11 to 18 lakhs we are investing per student for MTech. And if we cover it to PhD, it comes around to 25 to 30 lakhs. So that much amount of money which we are investing in students, the idea is that we get something back in the sense a win-win situation for the students and the department as well, so that we get a faculty. But कोई guarantee नहीं है because हमारा engineering college का proposal भी अभी तक approve नहीं हुआ है. It is still in the ministry and we are still working on it. So there's a possibility that we may not be able to offer the job. So you are free as per the bond within 3 months if we don't offer you any kind of a position, temporary or ad hoc, because permanent position will have to be advertised and a rigorous process has to be followed. But ad hoc or temporary position, if you are not able to offer, you are free to take up, whether you want to take up higher studies or job in any other place. Because we feel in any case, any kind of a master's in IITs opens so much avenues for you in any career or any research. So it is a good opportunity. I think I've covered most of the questions. Anything anybody wants to ask?
Hello, ma'am. I have questions.
Yes.
One is like about the bond. So last year I heard from Ritsin that one of the students from Kanpur had terminated due to his low CGPA.
Yeah.
So do a person has to pay the bond if he gets terminated from the institution?
You have to be serious about your studies. We are investing a lot of money. IIT is also wasting one seat if they give it to our students. So bond mein, if you see bond mein, it is clearly written, if you complete the education and then don't work, then you have to pay around 25 lakhs. I think we'll have to check. I'm not exactly sure how much is the amount that is written in the bond. But if you drop out after one semester, तो one semester तक जितना हम लोगों ने department ने जितना आप लोगों के लिए खर्चा किया है, for example, if department has given you fellowship of for 6 months, 25 into 6 and the admission cost, exact actual जो हम लोगों ने spend किया है यहाँ पर, that you have to, bond में आपको pay करना है. Because you have to be serious, because anybody who drops out, it means you have taken a seat of any other deserving student who may have worked harder. Unless there is a medical reason for dropping out, there might be, sometimes people may have very serious reasons. But otherwise, if somebody is academically not able to cope and he has to drop out, then he has to pay the exact amount which the administration has spent on him. But जो उनका पहले drop out हुआ, उनका it will not be applicable to him because he had not signed the bond. By that time, we had not finalized the bond. So he's not facing that issue. But इस बार anybody who has before admission, you'll have to sign the bond. I would expect कि ऐसा कोई issue आना नहीं चाहिए. आप लोग, you have to understand IITs में it will be tough. You have to work hard. And I think selection process भी ऐसा होता है कि they only take the best students from the lot.
And what about the other branches, ma'am, like mechanical, ECE?
Okay, mechanical, as far as I understand, even mechanical students who have done BTech, they can do masters in environmental energy sciences, because mechanical and energy is also, correlated. So I don't think there would be a problem. The only thing is that we are looking for faculty in energy sciences if you want to introduce energy sciences branch. But wahan par bhi there's a requirement of related faculty. Maybe mechanical would be related. So the subject that would be offered would be related with what we are planning to offer in engineering college. But it does not mean that you would have had to do your BTech in that field only. I think MTech would also be eligible. That's what I understand, but you can send a mail. The website is already ready, I think, IITs ka, jahan pe aap log apply kar rahe. You can send a mail there. I'm sure there would be some helpline or email number, email ID they would have given for queries.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
If not, I would request LSF to, combine all the queries and we can send it to Under Secretary Rigzin, who can share it with IITs. I understand that MTech would be eligible.
Can we sit in the campus placement after completion of MTech?
Yes, you just have to pay the fine. In any case, 3 months is not a very long time. I'm sure even if you sit for campus placement, 3 months ka time they will give you for joining. And frankly, I would be happy if you get a very good job opportunity anywhere. So unless it is very imperative, and then, but the bond is bond.
Okay, ma'am. What about electrical engineering?
Electrical, again, when we say energy sciences, I think electrical may have. Sometimes it is electronics, जैसे electronics में masters in computers, I think कर सकते हैं, but I'm not too sure. We'll have to ask IIT for that.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
But आप लोग apply कर सकते हैं. You'll get a revert after that once you fill in the application. I would say तैयारी आप कर लीजिए. And in any case, देखिए, if you are diligent, आप लोग GATE के लिए भी apply कर सकते हैं. GATE में भी IITs keep telling me ST के जो seats होते हैं quota, that remains empty. So they are saying if you have students, you should encourage them to even apply through GATE. If there are a particular subject you are looking for, GATE is also a very good option for students. We have this facility of scheduled tribe quota. And then when you come through GATE, I think a lot of fees also gets exempted under ST students. I think they are not supposed to pay any fees as well. Under sponsorship, we are paying them a good amount of fees like any other student, the administration. But if you come through GATE under ST quota, then I think fees is exempted. You get a lot of scholarships and benefits. So jahan students ko lagta hai they are very keen to take up masters, I think you stand a good opportunity under the quota system as well. Rigzin, आपका कैसा रहा experience? Rigzin, you are in IIT Kanpur or Delhi?
I'm in IIT Kanpur, ma'am. First semester was quite challenging, but now we are adjusted, and I'm very happy to be here. Like, we learned so many things and explored. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
There can be no better opportunity than to study in IIT. It's a better opportunity I cannot even think. I have also done my engineering from NIT, Kurukshetra. Agar us time हमें IIT का option मिला होता, I think it is a wonderful opportunity for everyone. And I would just request कि please come well prepared for the interviews. And if you get through, put in your best. Because, this is an opportunity for you. It is an opportunity for the administration also. Now I see 10, 12 people who have done their MTech and some of them who would also be doing their PhD. So we have a resource of highly qualified people with us. So that adds to the, resource of the administration of the UT Ladakh. So that is a benefit for all, everyone. So Gafel, I think that covers it all. कोई और question होगा तो मेरे Twitter handle पे you can ask questions in case there's any other question. Tashire, would you like to say something?
Yeah, one question, madam, because many of the students they have been telling if they get in better opportunity through the campus placement, okay, it means obviously they should go for it. But because of the bond, I think they are not allowed to sit in the campus placement. Can it be done something like this?
No.
they
not
can
an
sit.
issue.
Yeah,
Yeah, they can sit.
in
I
the
think we'll
place.
write to IIT. We can
Yes,
write
sit.
to IIT. And if you get a very good opportunity, I think 25 lakhs is not much.
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
तो pay
25
package
lakhs one
IITians का
can
बहुत
pay.
अच्छा होता है. हाँ.
Yeah, one
So
can
so
pay.
not much.
Yeah, even
Right,
ISRO, we have a institute, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. There also they have bond, but the student when they get better offers, they pay the money and they go. Okay,
Right.
yeah, yeah,
Fine.
like that. There should be one option if somebody would like to pay the 25 lakhs, and they should be
Of
allowed
course,
to
we'll write
sit.
to IITs because
Yeah,
nowhere in our bond it's written
yeah.
that they should not be allowed to sit in the campus
Yeah,
placement.
yeah.
So you're
Sit in
most
the
welcome.
placement. Sit in the campus placement. If you get better opportunity, if that suits for you, you can opt for it. Otherwise, ma'am just said like if you have a one standby option, you have some offer letter that you can join after 3 months. Wait for 3 months for the administration to offer you what kind of job. If the administration doesn't offer you job within 3 months, then you are legally not bound to pay the this bond. This very good option. So all must go, and even the earlier student, they some of the student they took my feedback like whether we should go for a PhD. Obviously, PhD is very good options, whether it is a faculty or even in the research, even job options. Whatever it is, a higher education adds value to your profile. And I would like to put on record and thanks Ma'am Padma Amole for taking all these initiatives. Before you join, I was telling to the students, be it from the just recently I saw one notice diploma, those diplomas which are not in Ladakh, even UT administration, they are giving an offer to do the diplomas in engineering, pharmacy, and other outside. And the engineering last year, 22 seats in that one of some of the top colleges in India, they're offering. And then this MTech program, then a long-term internship, short-term internship, and then this PhD program. So, and on the other hand, Sindhu Central University. So you have a lot of opportunities to grab it, and the opportunities are there. Now it's up to you to take full advantage of it. So as the ma'am said, when she did from NIT. I joined as a first batch from GCT Jammu. That time only 2 students they used to get from Ladakh. Only 2 students. Now you have almost including PMSs maybe around 100, 200, around 206. So now opportunities are there. At the same time, you need to compete with the rest of the India or the world if you want to excel. If you want to come back with a degree again, then again back to square. So you should, all of you should bring out your this mentality. And I want to stick within my comfort zone. So you have to take the challenges, and a lot of opportunity come within Ladakh in our states. Thank you.
Yes, and I would also like to add, we need to think now. IIT is the incubation center for ideas. So once you do your masters here, I think start, working on some ideas and see. One can, start some business of ours, startups. There's so many options. So when given an opportunity to work in IITs, you can have, a lot of, interaction with other brains and come up with ideas. So it's not always a job that you may be looking after. You may be looking at ideas and maybe giving jobs to others. So that can also be looked at because the government of India as well as UT administration now is promoting startup options a lot. So any kind of a support for any kind of a new idea and innovation can also be worked upon. So I'll take your leave if there are not many questions, and I think you can continue if there are many more questions for the students from IIT.
Can I share something?
Ma'am.
Right, okay.
Hi, sorry, Thamala Julian Dechin. I am already a PhD student at IIT Delhi, and I was listening to the whole session here. Ma'am Padma might know me. I wrote her a mail in the beginning.
Yes, Nishan, I remember.
Yeah, this initiative was initiated. So I just wanted to have an idea of
Yeah. Can you switch on your camera, Dechin? Can you switch on your
Yes,
camera?
yes, 1 second. I just arrived and I'm in Delhi. It's so hot. I might be sweating right now. Just a second. Okay, here. Yeah, it's on yeah, so I just wanted to add one more thing to all of this discussion. A very important aspect actually. So what the present MTech students didn't add to this discussion was the exposure to research environment, because in MTech courses, you have coursework as well as a research project that you have to complete. I think they give 2 semesters for your MTech project, and that 2-year exposure gives you a quality understanding as well as exposure to the research environment, the researches that goes into IITs, different labs under different professors, and all of that are very interesting and high quality. So I would, like to advise as well as request these students applying for this degree that is also an opportunity that you will get to explore in this degree. And also the fact that UT administration, suggested current students to pursue PhD further. I think that is a very good call, because being present students of these respective IITs, it is a good chance to get into the PhD program comparatively easier than how you come through a normal competition. So even if you don't want to go, at least you must have got, you can ask the current student, you must have got a good exposure to research and research environment here. So that is another aspect I just wanted to share with you all.
Rachel, very well said. I think you have been also kind of a mentor to the students who had joined. So
Yeah,
it was good.
unofficially, I kind of helped students however much I can hear. I could understand because coming from the place that we all come from, and in an institution, in a place like this, it can be intimidating in the beginning for a while, unless you get adjusted to it. After that, it's all normal, and you will observe that everyone is like us, struggling and trying to just cover it all. So it won't be a very big deal trying to cope up with this. Some courses, will be tough, and it gets tough for all. And also, at least in IIT Delhi, we have relative marking system. So it means if all of the class is not performing very well, then your grades are graded on the basis of how much the top student has scored, and like that. So the advantage of relative marking compared to absolute marking is that there is lesser chance to fail. So I think and this termination case Nomura Zin mentioned is maybe it's not same for all and very strict for, or maybe there are different criteria for different IITs. But yes,
Sorry to interrupt. I
termination
have
does
one
happen.
question to you.
Yeah.
Excuse me. The most fear thing is like that one only. Like, are we able to complete the course or not, or are we able to pass in the subject
So
or
at least for IIT Delhi, I would like to tell you. So in IIT Delhi, the courses are floated at the beginning of the semester, and you have some core courses of your departmental core courses that are mandatory, and there is a whole bunch of elective courses that you can choose from any department you like. So some of these elective courses has prerequisite, which means you should have another pre-course that should be completed before taking this course. So some of the courses get restricted because of that, but still there are ample of choices. So what students do here, it's a hack though, is that they try to add some very easy elective course so that they can keep the CGPA balanced, with the difficult courses. So there are ways like that, but I would say that not all of the courses are difficult. Some are, of course, but then there are a lot of other medium and easy courses as well.
how
So,
much it is related to BTech courses? For example, if you say one branch, I'm from electrical branch, so I would think,
every department has it's called bridge courses or core courses, the core subjects, which is mandatory, but those carry, I think, a lesser credit than the elective courses, at least in MTech. So you may have 3 to 4 compulsory or core courses in your coursework, which means 2 semesters. And here it is like this: you have to complete a number of credits. You have to complete that credits. First, you would go for your core courses. Either it's up to you, and it also depends on when they float that courses. In which semester they float that course. So you will have to make a choice according to when they are floating their course, plus what are the other elective courses you may have to take, so that you
Okay.
can manage to score well. So
And one
this
more
is how
question.
students do that. Yeah.
What would be the backlog system if you get more backlog? Or definitely we
So
don't want to quit the course, but what is the backlog system if you get more backlog?
Um, uh, uh, to this question, I may not have the exact answer, but if you haven't performed well in your major, there is a re-major system just
Okay.
after the major exam, when there is a holiday for everyone. So there is a chance for you to appear for it again and clear the courses. And then if you do not clear it, according to, I think it is like this also here. You may have to appear it next year when that courses is float. I mean, you
Okay.
may have to give exam with your junior batch. That is how it is.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So that is, I think that is what I wanted to edit. Then if no one have any more questions, that is all from my side. But yeah, I would definitely encourage you all to apply for it. And also in the interviews, I mean, whatever you come prepared with, whatever subjects, just prepare it properly, in the sense that you have a very well understanding of the concepts. They would ask you only core your, whatever branch you come from, the subjects, mainly your core subjects, and they will definitely check how well you have understood the concepts. It would not depend on the quantity, but the quality. So it would not depend on all the subjects, but relatively lesser, but you have a half knowledge of everything. No, it would be better to have a proper knowledge of one subject or two subjects, or like however many you can. So that would really help you score well in the interviews. This is from 2 times IIT interview experience. I did my master in IIT BHU and PhD in IIT Delhi. So yeah.
थैंक यू अचले, आपका ये सजेशन और एक्सपीरियंस हमारे ऑडियंस के साथ शेयर करने के लिए। बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर, मैं मैम पद्मा जी से थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा कि कल ये अचानक सा ये प्लान पहले से था, तो एग्जीक्यूट करने लास्ट मोमेंट पे था, तो हमने एक फॉर्मली जस्ट व्हाट्सएप मैसेज के थ्रू मैम को रिक्वेस्ट किया। तो मैं तो कई बार बच्चों के इश्यूज से मैम को डायरेक्ट मैसेज करते हैं, तो कभी भी वो रिप्लाई दे देते हैं। तो इसके लिए इस यहाँ पे आपका कीमती समय इन ऑडियंस को देने के लिए धन्यवाद मैम। तो बाकी साहब, आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोसीड कर सकते हैं।
Okay, thank you, Gafil. Then I'll take your leave. Anytime, whenever you require me, I can give my time. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have a question.
Thank you, ma'am.
बाकी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं जिसने हाथ रेज किया है। तो जिन यहाँ पे 3 स्पीकर भी हैं, तो उनसे पूछ सकते हैं।
Hello. Yeah. So I got disconnected in between. So I wanted to ask regarding the placement, right? So are we allowed to sit in the placement, and are we not allowed to accept the offer, or is it like we are not even allowed to sit for the placement?
Yeah,
I
I will
missed it.
answer for this question. Ma'am had already told you that you can apply for the placement. You need to get NOC from our government, like, and if you get मतलब आपको अगर प्लेसमेंट मिला तो you have to pay the bond amount.
Okay, so NOC के बाद हम placement के लिए बैठ सकते हैं, and then अगर offer मिला तो we can pay the bond, and then we can accept the letter.
Yeah. वही मैम ने भी बोला. Yes.
Okay.
And
Thank
one
you.
more
Yeah, I
thing,
missed it.
one more thing I would like to add. I mean, that's the requirement for bond if you want to break the bond and continue with the career. I mean, the job you have got through placement. Another thing is that if you could talk to the recruiter to give you a time of 3 months so that you get free from the bond, then I think that's the better option.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, see, now last year, more of the civil engineering students, they came forward. So they have given offer to the civil engineering students. No? So madam told like there are 3 branches they are offering. One is civil engineering, one is computer science and energy science. I think more of the students, energy science and computer science, you should go for this MTech program. Okay. Energy science and computer science, definitely you will get very good campus placement. Yeah, and then campus placement also, ma'am told like they will write to the IITs. The students should be allowed to sit in the campus placement. Okay, in near 1 or 2 years, I don't see you all will be absorbed by the UT administration. Okay, if the IIT sitting over the IIT will take time, because since just now ma'am told like even the ministry has not approved, so it will take time. And you should not accept the offer of a outsourcing job offer to you. Okay, I don't know whether that will happen or not. If the UT administration says, okay, we are giving you a job through outsourcing company, I think that you should not accept. If you are getting a good permanent job or directly by the administration, that you should accept. Otherwise, just wait for these 3 months so that you get free from the bond. As Mepam said, talk to your recruiter. Just give me a 3 months time. Many of the recruiters, they give 3 months time, and then you can accept that offer. And this computer science and energy science, they get very good placements. 25 lakhs is just one year pay. Okay, pay package. So even if you have to pay the 25 lakhs, you should pay and take the offers if you are willing to work in such companies or such organization outside Ladakh. If you come back with this MTech degree, again back to square. That's what I feel. Regarding this incubation, startups, these are very nice words. But finally, when you really do it, you know how tough it is to survive in the market. And if you are brilliant, you have a good pool of the students, good ones, and like places like Bangalore, there hundreds of startups every day it emerges, and every day many of the startup falls also. Okay, and the few get success. Doing a startup in Ladakh, I myself is not so comfortable. Okay. And then once you have an MTech degree, definitely you will get a edge over others, whether it is in the interviews, whether it's in like your knowledge, you may be able to crack the UPSC engineering service and other examinations. Okay, and then rather than just sitting at home with the BTech, it's always advisable to go for a master degree. And that too, this master degree offers you a good like it's like a salary, 25,000 you are getting. It's like a salary you are getting, at the same time you are getting a higher degree. And those who are getting in after BTech PhD program, you should go for PhD program. Okay, there are many universities in US and others. You can get into those universities. Okay, now who should go for this MTech PhD? Those who are interested in teaching or research. If you have mentally you are if you have that aptitude, then obviously you should go for it. If you are fed up with your BTech, I am not much interested. By chance, I got in engineering college. I'm fed up with these technical things. I don't want to do it. Leave it. You prepare for the CDS like UPSC, banking service. There is a lot of other opportunities. So doing MTech, doing PhD, that means you're going into really a core technical field. That you should set your mind, and it will take time. So MTech is 2 years. After the PhD, 3 years. So another minimum 4 or 5 years. So that much you should be clear what you are making a decision. Okay, that's based upon my personal experience.
one more question for Toshi sir.
Yeah.
Like which branch is more related to energy science?
Energy science,
management?
energy
Yeah.
science, I think electrical, electronics, mechanical, and environmental, those things, they're eligible energy science. But very specifically, I also need to see it. But even I
Can
think
I
civil,
can I
yeah,
can I
Dejanya,
share
please.
a bit?
Yes, Dejanya, please.
So, yeah, energy science, energy engineering is interdisciplinary. So basically, anyone who mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, even chemical engineering and civil engineering, all students who had done BTech in these traditional branches can opt for energy engineering. There is no restrictions on it, I suppose. I'm pretty sure because besides there are few interdisciplinary, so energy engineering is definitely one of that. So anyone can opt for it. And you would observe this mostly in PhDs because the students who are doing PhD in the Department of Energy, Science and Engineering won't be typically from energy engineering itself, but from different branches across the board. So you won't have to worry about that. It depends on where your interests lie. For MTech, it is still okay. You can just do MTech, but if you go beyond MTech for PhDs and all, then yeah, it depends a little bit on where if your area of interest, if it is relevant to energy area, then even if you're from electrical, electronics or whatever branch, you can offer you can get admission in energy department and then pursue your PhD. So there is no hard restrictions on that line.
Thank you.
And also I would like to add one more thing, if I may, please. Because I myself, I'm doing my PhD in solar energy area. I'm particularly working on solar cells. Definitely, this was my area of interest because of where I come from, Ladakh, which has a very good scope in this area. So renewables was basically very much an area I was very much interested in since the beginning. So let's see, for example, because like the kind of environment Ladakh have, uh, we already have energy sustainable buildings. I mean, there are a lot of areas in area of energy that you can pursue your career in. Is what I'm saying. For example, with civil engineering and energy engineering, you can combine those two branches. Environment and energy already there. So there are a lot of this kind of relevant areas where you might want to pursue your career in, and these two can somehow overlap at some areas. These areas will overlap in some areas further if you go along, because initially when we start BTech, we have traditional branches very different from each other. Later when you go further working, then you will observe that it are all interdependent to quite an extent. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello. I had a question regarding the interview procedure. First question was, will the interview be conducted online, and the second question was, after this registration last date, when will this interview take place? Like within a week, or it will take longer?
मेरा भी
I'm
यही
not.
क्वेश्चन है। और मतलब क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी जो गेट के थ्रू जो क्वालिफाइड हुआ है उसका भी काउंसलिंग स्टार्ट चल रहा है, तो क्या पता बाय एनी चांस आई गेट मतलब कोई आईआईटी में मेरा एडमिशन हो जाए तो वहाँ पे मुझे फीस पे करना पड़ेगा, और आफ्टर दैट अगर इस यहाँ का रिजल्ट आ गया और मैं इसमें सेलेक्ट हो गई तो मेरा थोड़ा लॉस हो जाएगा। तो फिर मैं वही सोच रही थी कब तक ये होता है इंटरव्यू एंड ऑल दैट।
So I'm not the right person to answer that, but I think जो host कर रहे हैं, I mean administration से आप ये सवाल कर सकते हैं।
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी जब मैम पद्मा बात कर रही थी, तो आई वाज नॉट एबल
Ma'am
टू
Padma is
आस्क।
here.
या शी लेफ्ट। I was disconnected at that time, so I was not able to ask the question.
That is
So
a very valid question actually,
forward this
and
question
one
to
should
her.
definitely.
What was the question?
My question
So
is that कि
the
अभी हमारा कोप का जो राउंड चल रहा है, मतलब जिनका गेट क्वालिफाई हुआ है उनका आईआईटी काउंसलिंग कराती है, तो बाय एनी चांस अगर मुझे वहाँ पे 3rd जन या 2nd जन आईआईटी या एनआईटीज भी मिले, तो फिर मुझे वहाँ पे मतलब 9 जून तक, मतलब एंड ऑफ जून तक मुझे फी पे करना पड़ेगा सीट एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए। तो अगर मैं उसमें सीट एक्सेप्ट कर लूँ, फी पे कर दूँ और एडमिशन कर लूँ, तो उसके बाद क्या पता यहाँ पे मेरा सिलेक्शन हो जाए, तो फिर वही डेट का एक कंफर्मेशन चाहिए था कि कब तक होगा।
वहाँ पे कितना फी है आपका?
अराउंड 57 है, मतलब पर्टिकुलर आईआईटीज का नहीं पता, बट आईआईटी रोपर और उनका 57 के अराउंड है।
That is some calculated risk you have to take.
एनी मतलब स्पेसिफिक टेंटेटिव डेट और समथिंग ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा?
Then date I also don't know. So, but some calculated risk you take.
Okay, can you please forward this question to Ma'am Padmale, or should I write an email or?
Yeah, Madam Rigzi Nangmo, na Rigzi Nangmo under secretary, you can write to her.
Rigzi Nyangdol.
Rigzi Nangdol, if you, she will be the right person to, answer you.
Yeah, I will convey your question to her. Then I will. How can I let you know then?
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Rigzi Nangmole.
No, not
But
this
how can
Rigzi
I let you know about?
No, not this Rigzi Nangmo. Rigzi Nangmo wo
No.
under secretary Rigzi Nangmo.
Rigzi Nyangdol sale.
Rigzi Nyangdol. Skarma, you have my mobile number, no? WhatsApp number?
Yes, sir.
You can just ping me. I will give her a number. You can get information from it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, yes, Lita.
And sir,
Conclude
could you provide the same information for us as well?
Yeah, once she gets the information, she can share in the groups.
Sure.
Okay, one last question. So, did 3 of you sit in the placement pool?
No.
What was your reason?
Yeah, it's personal, so I'm still confused. So I can't answer right now.
So I'd like to answer from my side that firstly I was told that the sponsored candidate from any organization, be it from the administration or a particular company, are not allowed to sit in the placement unless and until you have an NOC from a sponsor. So I was not allowed to sit, and I was not aware of this NOC procedure also. So right now, Ma'am Padma has clearly mentioned that you can sit for the placement, and you know the way right now. So I think there should not be any confusion for the next batch.
Yeah, true. So is it hard to get the NOC, or it's
You
easy?
will get the NOC, but if you get placement, then you need to pay the bond fee.
Yeah, but only if we will accept the offer before the 3 or 4 months, right?
See, one more thing I would like to say, that here at IIT Bombay, the placement season starts in December. In the first year, at the end of first year, the placement season starts, and you have to register. So in this case, I think you better approach Ma'am Padma more to get an NOC beforehand, because you have to get yourself registered in the placement.
I think we can just register without getting NOC.
Oh, all right. Yes, okay. So I was not aware of this. So if you get by any chance selected in MTech and get to sit in placement, then please treat yourself as other students and get yourself registered in the placement and sit for placement. If you get a good job, then either you can pay the bond, or get yourself adjusted to time given by the recruiter or something like that.
Yeah. So, and what about Ashik's point of view?
He already left. He already left.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so isn't it like two of you missed kind of an opportunity?
I
Because
really
like
want to work in Ladakh itself, so I don't have any regret.
So for me, I changed my branch because of the condition of Ladakh. So I pursued aeronautical engineering out of interest from my childhood, and was able to get a good merit also in bachelor's. But somehow, seeing the condition of Ladakh, I changed my field to environmental science and engineering. So even if I got placed in any company, here at IIT Bombay, I would not accept because I had already planned myself to be back in Ladakh soon, and that's why I've decided not to continue for PhD also.
so you guys are looking for the faculty that the scheme is providing. Is
No,
it?
no, I don't think, because it's very likely that the IIT which Ladakh will have can take up to 5-10 years. So even next batch might get free from the bond after 3 years of completion of the MTech program.
Okay.
Okay, thank. तो अभी हम कंक्लूड करने की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, तो काफी लंबा सेशन हुआ। मैं दोनों अच्चो और स्पीकर से रिक्वेस्ट करूं कि अपना ईमेल या कांटेक्ट डिटेल हो तो ड्रॉप करें, तो पर्सनल क्वेरीज फिर होता है तो वो बाद में रीच आउट कर सकते हैं, और जनरल होगा तो एलएसएफ को रीच आउट करें। हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपका इश्यूज का आंसर निकलवाने की। तो मैं दोनों स्पीकर अचो मिफम जिकमेत और आचे एग्जामों से धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ। और अचो आशिक पहले ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट हुआ था, उनको कुछ काम था, तो लास्ट पे और हमारे फाउंडिंग डायरेक्टर एलएसएफ का सर टैशी को भी धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा। और ये सेशन भी काफ़ी अच्छा रहा और सबके लिए क्या बोले यूजफुल भी रहा होगा। तो थैंक यू ऑल।
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Kapil, for taking initiative. And thanks all the speakers for sharing your experience. And I wish you all the best. And I hope other students also, they will take up this opportunity and look forward for your bright future. And it's obviously the IIT Tech will change your life. All the
Thank you,
best.
Sir Lee.
Okay, all the best, everyone. Yeah, teacher.
So I shared my details in the chat box. If anyone wants to reach out to me, then you can leave a message in WhatsApp or call me or email me.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mipam. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Now I will end the session. Okay.
Thank you, Sayesh.
Yeah, Julie. Good night.
Yeah, Julie.